Now this is another interesting section of wall that we did have water and gutters coming over here, and that caused all that water to travel downward. And there's a number of things going on with this wall that I like to point out. It was repaired by somebody else. They really didn't fix the rot behind. You can see right here was where they repaired, but they didn't really take this down to good sound wood, and they reattached faces and with gaps in them. Another thing that I'm not fond of is, if you notice, they used hollowed conduit for spikes. When they spike this log to that log, that's a hollow pipe. And that actually allows water to travel right down into here and spread this way. So all these holes just bring the water on down. Another little thing right here is we've got a lag bolt going this way, and that you can see the blackness around the lag bolt. That's actually water traveling down that lag bolt going into this beam right here. So our steps right now is we tore off the failed repairs. We're just kind of letting it dry out a little bit. It was so water saturated, and we're going to end up bringing probably 2 or 3 or more of these. There's still some rot here, and we're going to end up cutting this out. We use a number of different epoxies to reconstitute some of this softer wood, but we're going to take a lot of that out of there, and then we'll reface all this with borate saturated logs that will withstand the rot. So there's an awful lot going on just right here in this corner.